Run, tip up, run, tip up. Yeah. You gonna unhook that? No. She's getting fatter and fatter every time. This thing's huge. Yeah. That's how you talk to the fish. Like, because the bigger ones will be out just a little further and it'll a little hole. You got another one. Look at that. Crazy. Fatter, fatter. Alright. Bring it over here. You gotta let some line up. On the tree. That's a good size one. Boom. Ah. Boom. Nothing? Nope. Yeah. Got it? Okay. Crushing it. That's a good size one, too. I thought you hit the bottom or something. Just kind of, just dig it. Let it go, let it go. Boom, he's got it. You got it. You got it. Alright, rod tip up, rod tip up. Nice one. Alright. To me. Let the line go a little bit. Bring it down. Just put it right to the nose. There's sunfish. It's a monster. Neither one of us. A quick recast. Just don't even let any line up. Just cast it. It's too close to the rock. Just do like a little. Nope. Just a back and forth cast. Look at it out there. You're on the rock. You're not even in the water. There you go. Boom. You got it. Nice. Alright, just swing it over to me. Did you see it take it? Oh, no. Sometimes you can just pop it off. You hit that hard. good. Bring him over here. Boom. Tip up, tip up. Nice. Smallmouth bass. Over here. That's a little smallmouth bass. Easy. To the water. We gotta get you pulled up. Nice little one.